Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise number 1, question number 1. By comparing the ratios a1 by a2, comma, b1 by b2, comma, c1 by c2, state whether the lines represented by the following pair of linear equations intersect at one point, comma, are parallel or they are coincident. So here he was asking that check whether the pair of linear equations are parallel lines, are coincident, or intersecting lines. So now we will take the first question and we will solve. So the first question is 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation in two variables. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So now we take the first line. So it is in standard form a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Now we take the second line 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So it is also in standard form a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now we have to find the ratio, that is a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Okay, here what is a1? It is nothing but coefficient of x, that is nothing but 5. a2 coefficient of x, that is nothing but 7. The ratio is 5 by 7. Now we see here b1 is nothing but coefficient of y, minus 4. Okay, here it is 6. c1 by c2, that is nothing but 8 by constant term, minus 9. Now we observe the ratios. Here all three ratios are different. Therefore here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. These two ratios are not equal. So a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. If this condition is satisfied, we can conclude that the given two lines are intersecting lines. Okay, now we will take another example and now we will see these two lines are intersecting, are parallel, or coincident. So first take the first line 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in two variables. The standard form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Now we take the second line 18x 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. So it is in standard form a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now compare the ratios a1 by a2, b1 by b2 C1 by C2. Okay, so here A is nothing but A1 is nothing but coefficient of x, 9 by A2 is nothing but coefficient of x again. So this is A1, this is A2. 9 by 18, I am getting 9 by 18 here. B1 by B2, so this is B1, 3 here by 6. Now take C1 by C2, so this is 12 by 24. So just simplify if it is possible. So see here, 9 one time, 9 two times, 3 one time, 3 two times, 12 one time, 12 two times. So all I am getting 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. All the three ratios are equal. So I am getting here A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So if this condition is satisfying, I can conclude that both the lines are coincident line. Coincident. Okay. Now we will see another question. So 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So first line, 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. So it is in standard form, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Now take the second line, 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. So this is nothing but a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Now compare the ratios here. So that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Okay, here a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. Just you compare the ratios first. So first a1 is nothing but coefficient of x, this is 6. a2 is nothing but coefficient of x of second line, so that is 2. So here coefficient of y is nothing but minus 3. So here coefficient of y is nothing but, nothing is there means you have to assume it is a 1, minus 1. Now c1 by c2, this is 10 by 9, constant terms. So now you see the cancellation, 2 one time, 2 3 times, minus minus is going to cancel. So I am going to get here 3. So here also 3. So here it is 10 by 9. So what I am getting now here, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. The first two ratios are equal. If the two ratios are equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, the given two lines are parallel lines. Okay. Third ratio is not equal, c1 by c2 is not equal. So if the two ratios are equal, we can conclude that the given two lines are parallel lines. So once again briefly I will explain. Step 1, first you find out the ratios, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, C1 by C2. Next step, compare the ratios. So observe that if these two are not equal, A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. So just you see, not equal means cross symbol I am getting. Cross symbol means two lines are intersecting lines. Okay. Not equal means two lines are intersecting. Second condition, if A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2, these two are equal, third ratio is not equal. So just you see here, equal symbol, parallel lines, the lines are parallel. Condition number 3, A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. If three are equal, three ratios are equal, the lines are coincident. Okay, like that we have to solve this problem. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.